Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay for OnlyFans with PayPal. It's really easy and simple, so if you've been wondering if you can actually go ahead and do this, let's go over some of the options and see how you can still make this work. So, officially, OnlyFans does not accept PayPal as a direct payment method. However, you can still use PayPal indirectly to pay for your OnlyFans subscription, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So method one is to use a PayPal linked debit or credit card. So you just open up PayPal, go to your wallet, okay, tap on link a card and add your PayPal debit card if it's available, or any card linked to your PayPal balance. Then go to OnlyFans, click on add a payment method, and enter your card details. And once added, you can use this card to pay for OnlyFans subscriptions or purchases. And this method works because OnlyFans accepts Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, which PayPal offers as debit or credit cards. Method 2 is actually buying a prepaid card with PayPal. So you want to visit a site like PayPal Gifts or a retailer that basically sells prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift cards. So you want to purchase a prepaid debit card using your PayPal balance. These usually have fixed balances, so they're basically, a fixed amount. So you go to OnlyFans and then click on add a payment method and enter the prepaid card details. And now you can basically use this prepaid card to pay for your OnlyFans, right? So it's important to note you cannot do this directly, but they are workarounds, right? Just make sure your card has enough funds to cover the subscription. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.